I told you that the person you are looking at does not exist. She's not real. She is an AI generated avatar and she makes 2000s a month from brand sponsorship. This is not a science fiction, it's happening right now. And you can do it too without being a model, without a camera, without any followers. Let's open the NeuroBox. Meet Melania Bao. She's one of the most famous AI influencers and she has over 74k followers. Meet Lily McBride. She is a influencer. She has over 3 million followers on the Instagram and she led campaign for Prada, Calvin Klein, and Samsung. But you don't need millions of followers to make money. There's an AI influencer named Athena Lopez. She has 50k followers and makes $200,000 a month from sponsorship. She completely AI generated. No photo shoot, no travel, no drama. She's just one of the hundred of the AI influencers making real money right now. Here's the brain hack. Brands spend billions on influencer marketing, but there's a huge risk. Human influencers can cause scandals, they say something controversial, they post something offensive, they can get cancelled. AI influencers cannot do that. They are always available, they never get tired, they never complain, they never say anything controversial unless you tell them to. That's why brands are paying for AI influencers. They are safer, cheaper, and more predictable. And there's a massive opportunity for you. Here's your three-step blueprint to start your this side hustle today. Step one: create your AI avatar. Use Midjourney or DALL-E. Describe exactly what you want: age, style, ethnicity, clothing. Generate 50 to 100 images. Pick the best 10 to 20. Consistency is key. Your avatar should look like the same person in every image. Step two: animate it. Use HeyGen or Synthesia. These tools turn your still images into the talking video. You type a script and your avatar speaks. It looks real, blinking, moving lips expression. Step 3. Build an audience, monetize it. Create an Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube channel for your AI influencer. Post content in a niche. Fashion, travel, fitness, or tech. When you hit 500 followers, brand will start paying for you for the sponsorship. A creator named Jason started as an AI influencer on the Instagram. He used my identity to create a fashion model. He posted 3 images on a week. Her wearing different outfits, different locations. She has 500 followers. He charges $100, 200 per sponsor post. He get 4 sponsorship a month. That's a 2,000 a month. He's had a quite about 5 hours a week on this. I don't do photo shoot. I don't travel. I just generate images and post them. So why most people fail with AI influencer? 3 reasons. Number one, inconsistency avatar. If your avatar look different in every image, people will lose trust. Use consistency prompt, not your prompt, so you can recreate the same face. Number two, boring content. Your AI influencer needs a personality, a backstory, a style. People follow personalities, not just pictures. Number three, no engagement. Reply to comments, post stories, build a community. If you ignore followers, they will leave. So your action step today. Go to the Manjani, generate 50 images of your AI avatar. Pick 10 that look like the same person. Create an Instagram account, post 1 image per day for 30 days. That's your style. You don't need a follower share, just build assets. If you want the most adult AI hacks and brain psychology, subscribe to NeuroBox. New video every week. But these days I'm just a little busy, so thank you for waiting for my videos. See you then until the next video.